Namaste, welcome to Sisreka's kitchen. Today I am making Beetroot Tapioca Kheer. It's very delicious and healthy kheer. Most of the time we all make the kheer with tapioca and vermicelli. This time let us make with tapioca and beetroot. First of all, I am taking 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan which is on medium heat. Here I have some cashews, golden raisins and black raisins. When the ghee is hot, add the cashews and fry them. When the cashews are 50% done, then add the raisins. Once the raisins are puffed, you can transfer them into a plate and keep them aside. In the remaining ghee, add 1 cup of shredded beetroot. Fry the beetroot in the ghee for 2 to 3 minutes to remove the raw smell. You can add more ghee if you need. I want to thank all of you for watching my videos, liking them and sharing them. Please don't forget to like my Facebook also. Your comments and suggestions are appreciated. I washed and soaked 1/4 cup of tapioca. Now I am adding this soaked tapioca into the beetroot. After mixing them together, I am going to add 3 cups of whole milk. For this recipe we need whole milk, not the 2% milk or fat-free milk. I will let the milk boil and reduce in volume. In between, I will give it a stir. By that time, the beetroot and the tapioca will be cooked. Scrape the edges in between. Beetroot is a good source of antioxidants. Beetroot also helps to reduce high blood pressure. It is a good source of fiber. It is also good for digestive health. It looks really beautiful and it is very healthy. Beetroot and tapioca are cooked well. Now go ahead and add the freshly ground cardamom powder. Add the cashews and raisins also and you can switch off the flame. For sweetness, you can use Jaggery or stevia. Stevia can be added very little. If you add too much stevia, you will have a bitter aftertaste. If you add Jaggery, make sure you switch off the flame. After adding the Jaggery, do not boil again. It can be served hot or chilled. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page and visit my Telugu channel.